Hey Petty fam, so I am coming to you solo because of COVID and we're in two different places. So with all of that said, for a couple of the videos it's just gonna be me. Hi y'all. Because I want to get these videos out to you guys, and we have a new method of getting the videos done, which may be a little bit easier, may not, we'll see. But I wanted to give you guys what you want in a current time, so until the whole COVID mess is over with and we're able to be in the same place at the same time safely, then you'll have me solo. So I still love y'all, Petty fam. She love y'all too. She gonna be back soon. Let's get into it. I'm looking at a day in the artist's life of QUEENNAIJA. Go ahead, Queen. Okay, we see you, girl. Let's get into it.
And our favorite rocket ship into the sky, little Naija. Climb aboard, get ready to explore.
Oh, girl.
We're going on a trip, y'all, to LA. A little business trip, you know what I'm saying?
Just the girls.
Yeah.
Just the girls today, girls trip. Rocking my Michigan attire today.
Okay, represent,
That's the only reason I wore the sweater, that's it.
Represent for your city.
Where all the Detroit people be like, we don't claim you, ho.
Dang.
Yeah, right now I'm freaking freezing.
Girl, they love you. What you talking
With the sweater on. Oh, I'm on the airplane. Going up.
Why don't people say wheels up anymore, y'all? Why don't people say wheels up anymore? I mean, it went out that fast. Come on. Wheels up.
You already know how the hotel always looks. Look, this is the same kind of vibe. We stay in the same hotel every time we come here, thanks to Lee. I don't know why she's like addicted to this hotel, but whatever.
Okay with the consistency, Lee, because you know where everything is, you know where all the spots are, and the timeline of when you're gonna get there. So I feel her with that.
Tonight I'm going to the studio because I asked everybody on Twitter. I was like, what should my next video be? And y'all was like, oh, we want a Q&A, we want maybe like a studio session. But the thing is, the studio sessions are kind of hard because it's like I kind of can't really show the music.
Yeah.
So yeah, I don't know, maybe I'll...
Girl, we understand. We gonna watch whatever you gonna send us, girl. Don't have to think too hard and trouble yourself over what we watching. We watching everything, right?
So y'all BTS, but I'm not sure. Glam.
Okay, Glam.
Before and after.
Okay, Glam.
I'm thinking about taking this hair down right now because I kind of like a lion.
Roar.
It ain't a bathroom.
Why didn't you just put it up?
Oh, he back with the hair stuff. Yes.
Is that a bathroom?
Yes. We gotta see what we gonna do.
She's so great.
Cause I don't know if it's Thanksgiving. I don't know if it's
I
Thanksgiving.
like it. Comment below what
So
y'all
I'm about to
think
do a
about
photo
it.
shoot for. Can I tell them?
Mitch, you so funny.
Can I tell them?
Yeah.
I'm about to do a photo shoot for with my president
Of the label.
of Capital. Oh wait, it might be
Double
better.
XL?
Okay, president of the label. Okay, Queen, I see you.
You want to see the back?
It might be better without
that one at the top.
Yeah.
We just put everybody. It's hot.
Yeah.
It's really hot. I'm sorry, Devontae. I'm over here just
I was thinking about doing the top knot, but no, you guys, because then if I don't like the shape of my head, ain't no going back.
I think it would be cute though with the dress. We can leave like these
Yo,
pieces
Lex is
down on the
hilarious.
How
side.
you doing?
Oh yeah, the pieces on the
We
side.
stashing her up.
You picking it up?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you need to. Don't listen
What you mean
to,
pick it up?
Devontae, don't listen to her.
Don't
Just,
listen to
Ow,
them.
ow.
Uh-oh.
Can you do
Don't
it real
hurt her
cute?
now.
Real gentle. That hurts.
right?
I'm tender-headed.
Y'all snatching it out of her head.
But I've been...
It's her head. She know if it hurt or not.
But since little girl.
Don't pay her no mind, Devontae.
She about to cry. Y'all leave
It
her
hurts.
alone.
I know y'all should have saw how fast I was walking.
Oh, let me show y'all Mitch. I love him. Mitch, do you want to be on camera? Please? It don't matter.
She gonna ask him if he want to be on camera while she pointing at him. All right.
Put him on camera.
This is my stylist, Mitch. For everyone who said I need a stylist all the time, like, he be styling me. You know what he be doing. What's up,
You know what he do.
Mufasa.
Nah, she
I
kinda
posted something. I posted something. I posted
Look,
something.
mister, you keep hurting her if you want to.
I posted something maybe like a week ago, and it got 500,000 views.
Okay, Royalty Squad. We keeping them views up, girl. We love you.
I did like a just a life update in cooking. I made some chicken and waffles.
I'm gonna do that too.
So I was like,
y'all, 'cause I know
dang,
y'all
they
requested
still
that.
watching me.
We gonna
Yeah.
bring it to ATL, don't worry. How long, Jess?
Now.
No, for real.
Like you should have just now. They're doing.
I can't get dressed now. I'm changing it
And
up.
then she'll go next with Jeff. So what's gonna be first? Her solo shot? No, her shot
With
with
Jeff.
I'm getting my hair in a top knot right now, so
Which outfit is she doing by herself and then? Oh, the tight dress she's doing.
I'm gonna do tight dress
Doing
for
that
both.
with Jeff, right?
You don't want to do
Yeah, let them do somebody else.
Why would I do the top knot with the pink? It's not gonna go.
She's gonna want a ponytail.
Look at Queen controlling her photo shoot. I see you, boss.
Listen, he said we're gonna have 2 down with the top knot, right?
Because I thought she was going to wear the other dress that she was saying that she was going to feel overdressed in the other one.
You know about her doing. She's supposed to be overdressed.
No, I'm not. I don't
Yes,
like that.
You don't dress what everybody else is doing.
Yeah, but it's a dress. Oh, cute.
Yeah, let her do what she's trying to do. Like, what is it's a cover. If she, you gotta let her be comfortable at one point. I see what y'all saying, but Queen want to be comfortable.
Kind of.
Which one is she doing with
Oh wait, can I comb it out? Cause it's on her.
You doing a tight dress with Jeff?
They both tight though.
You're not doing the pink one with Jeff and doing that one solo?
I don't know if it's gonna look. Oh, you could go. You could do it. This is a nice brush.
Just Jeff got on.
Comment below if y'all have y'all favorite brushes. I know I do.
It's just like everybody's kind of like on the casual side. Like he has, I don't know what he's wearing right now, but when he arrived, he had a sweater, a plaid button down, and then he was wearing a black t-shirt with like jeans and bands.
You should do that with Jeff.
All right, I'll do it just cause you brought it.
Thank you.
But I'm
Please,
saying
it's not
because
because
you
you.
don't look
It is because
I don't want her to look so. She'll look so unnecessary.
Don't do Lee like that.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna look dressy standing next to him because look it. I need Jeff to look like I'm next to him. I need him to look like he my sugar daddy.
No.
That's what I'm saying. The top not gonna look like that, but
He's got like the food one though for that. For
I
that
do
setup
too.
for what setup?
with Jeff.
Okay, you want to just curl your regular hair? If I put product in your hair,
It's not gonna go back out.
You were giving Devontae a hard time.
No, y'all is giving him a hard time.
No, we're not. You are.
Yikes. I mean, first of all, Queen knows her hair though. And then, like, you should know, Devontae.
Girl, don't look like that at me because we're gonna fight up in here.
Uh-oh.
We're gonna cause a scene. Let's do a news reporter here.
She said, I'm gonna knock all this stuff down.
That's pretty.
we can do something like this and I just curl it a little bit more.
Yeah.
And then that way it's easy to
Y'all
change.
like my hair better?
It looks sexy. How much
like it
time
now.
does she not wait before you schedule somebody else?
What
Because the way it's laying.
Well, just downstairs he was like, she can come down in like 5 minutes.
Well, it ain't gonna be. It's gonna be 5-10 minutes. You gonna curl it real like
And then from there, I'm just
Big, like,
yes,
kind of like a blowout.
yes, yes.
Much of the blowout. Yeah.
This is my sleepy behavior. I'm on sleepy behavior right now. I'm tired.
When you start getting tired, like,
Yeah, I start doing it. So y'all, we took the clip-ins out so that I can wear my own hair because I realized I'm not bald headed. Point.
She said,
Done, done, done,
hashtag, I'm not bald headed.
done, done. What about I do? Done, 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 done,
She gives her glam team such a hard time.
See, now you worry about the hair. We gotta go. Ooh. Oh my God.
Queen. Well, first of all, why didn't y'all fit her before? Y'all shouldn't make her feel like that.
I have been with the truck because I had that pizza and that donut.
Queen.
I told you. Now they're calling this league going to grab donuts.
Is she ready?
No, I'm not. Man,
I like the peach a lot.
my hair needs, I don't know, it's so dry and ugly.
Turn around.
Wow.
Oh, no, Queen.
My
Devontae,
hair is so dry.
I'll buy you.
Lord
Yeah,
have mercy,
cut it.
dog. Cheese in my foot. Lord have mercy,
Take it.
dog. My
Her
foot.
phone's in it.
Her phone's over there.
Grab her phone.
You see my granny panties, please?
Now you worried about it?
No, I'm just being a little
Worry about it.
sarcastic. That's because it's a granny dress and it match.
Yeah, I can't.
Like I said, you ain't got to look at billboard.
What? I never looked at it. I did. I seen it. Everybody looked like casual.
No.
All right, we're going down to church service. Happy birthday. Here on the set today we have QUEENNAIJA. We are coming through with the pink green dress. Hey,
Let's go. Check out what you're gonna.
I like a news reporter.
Shut up.
News reporter, which, okay.
It's either news reporter or church lady. Oh, really?
Oh my God, you see?
Yeah, this is why.
The stories say that it will be sunny today with a chance of. Oh,
What is?
Aw, Queen acting up, y'all.
Yo.
let's go. Jump in. Mama knows. So y'all, this is my Capital backpack. I've been signing Capital since 2018. Y'all remember? It's about to
We
get
remember, girl.
Well, the spice kind of simmered down a little bit over time, but
Why the spice simmer down? The spice did not simmer down, Queen. Spicy game forever.
okay, geez. Y'all see Mitchie? But anyway, this is my news reporter outfit. It's giving, the shoes are giving like, freaky church girl. And the hair's giving news reporter too, so. What? So yeah, that's all. You get to around the
Queen, that
kitchen
looks
after.
grown up. Queen, that looks grown up and cute. It's the trendy shoes and a cute little pink, and then your hair is like laid. I like it. Y'all comment below if y'all like it. She's so hard on herself. No, you look cute, girl.
So I've got this shot. I'm going to turn it vertical and invest you guys a little bit. I've got one quick thing in the hallway, and then we're out of the park.
Okay, Queen, I see you with the star pose, hand on the hip. Yeah, girl, show out.
What you think, Lee?
That face
Oh,
is.
see, I like it. I like that. But I see what she was saying with all of them, like, just real casual. But she still, like, stands out to me like a star. Like, you supposed to stand out. You the only female in here. And stand out. Why not?
Solid.
Yeah, I like that.
Ask her if she want to boot right here.
That's a cute
What you think?
pose.
So move over there.
Yeah, because it'll give her her side.
I think they specifically wanted her there though.
Relax though.
Yeah, relax. Okay, I'm just giving news reporter.
You don't have to give news report.
Huh? Yeah, it was trash. Yeah.
Y'all, look, she looking like the queen of capital. Look at there. I see you, girl.
Lighten it up a little bit. We're happy to be here hanging out with Jeff.
Happy to be here. Hanging out with you.
Don't do that. That'll be the picture they pick. Go ahead.
High five happened. Saw that like the whole time for that high five. I know we got that. Queen. Good day, hold. Thank you. So we got a couple more things happening. We're gonna go into the hallway up here. So maybe give me like a 30-second head start, and then I'll come bring you.
You want to look at them?
It's gonna be a little tight quarters in there. Yeah.
I just don't. Yeah, I just want to make sure like we're like not directly down on my face.
Yeah, it's all coming from the front here, from this.
Okay, am I shaped like a tornado?
Who does
Did
Queen
she
press
say,
around
am I
here? Who's to
shaped
look
like
at?
a tornado,
Lee, what you
Queen?
think?
You know how I want to be shaped like a tornado.
No, you look good, Queen. You look good.
This is the shoulder here. You gotta relax your shoulders though.
Well, listen,
Why did y'all put
Don't relax your shoulders.
Why did y'all put shoulder pads on if she gotta be all awkward? Now she's gonna be so conscious about the shoulder pads. I hate when they put shoulder pads and stuff, y'all.
I was about to say,
Yeah. You need to activate those shoulders.
yeah, I just sit up so I can.
That's great, you guys.
Yeah.
Come
Can I
on,
swap
Queen.
TOOSIE and Capella? Change up the hands. If you got room to come forward, Jeff, I want to get you in there. Yeah, get kind of.
my costume ring.
That's great, you guys.
Hey, maybe
Get up
cross
in
your
here.
legs.
Cross my legs
Now move an inch to your left.
like this.
Yeah.
Go.
Then I want to cross them.
Get your angle, Queen.
How old's the tallest guy I've ever seen?
No, I don't like that way. Like this.
Yeah.
Okay. That's great. Jeff, are you able to sort of relax your shoulders? Do you mind if Jeff gets you a little
That's
more in there?
Definitely so.
Shit, I can't walk up the stairs with this tight dress. Can I buy an electric charge?
Oh, I think y'all going over there.
Oh, yeah.
Lighting over there.
I don't know about that one.
We got a golf cart to drive me over there because my feet hurt.
Okay. Y'all got her with those heels on. First of all, strappy heels hurt when you walk too far and you wear them so long. Like, them straps be digging into your feet. Then, not to mention, they're in heels. Everybody else is in gym shoes. Don't do her like that.
No, I mean, how far is it? I can walk.
I like the idea of you being driven from here to there.
No, I know, but that's
No, I don't have to do
Good
that.
concept.
Good
I
content.
see where my guys are.
Alright, we're just gonna wait for the car and then drive me over there. I'm just kidding.
Can we do that? I want to tell that story.
Huh?
I want to tell the story.
Oh no, I'm not gonna do that.
Don't put her out there.
Absolutely not.
Such a gentleman.
Thank you, TOOSIE. I appreciate you.
Oh, you got me on the vlog?
Yeah, I got you on the vlog. Being a gentleman.
That's gonna boost my rate right there.
Alright, I'm just gonna get escorted.
Be a gentleman,
I'm going to
too.
drive 30 feet over there.
Yeah, if you want, you can keep the door open.
Oh, all right, good.
Now,
Can you
please
hang
don't
on?
fall out.
Hang on.
Queen, y'all, she better hold on. Somebody better put her seatbelt on in there, cause no, who knows if there's bumps and stuff. We can't lose her like that.
All right. Don't do no stunts, please.
Right, sir. Be careful.
Yep. And authorities say it.
Oh my God.
Are you holding on, Queen? Good. I see that one hand, but what about the other one? Yeah.
The rest of us need to run around like security.
That's hilarious.
You're only the president. You're only the president, but you gotta walk, all right?
Thank you, sir.
Wait.
Oh,
Oh, is that Ashley? Oh, you what? Can I take a picture next to your car?
It's your car.
Oh no, this one.
Ready?
Yeah, I like the camera.
Ready?
Yeah. It ain't bright. Any light. Yeah, that's a real camera. I just say.
Yeah. Do it for Jeff. Okay, Jeff.
I'm gonna come in. I'm gonna get a horizontal. Will you be adjusting it on him, like you just put it on him? Yeah, like that, right there. Capella, squeeze in just a little bit.
I'm
Nice. And
out.
then look here, too.
I'm out.
Everybody's here again.
Jeff say, I'm the newest member of the Capital team. Y'all remember that? When people get chained, crowned with the chain. Y'all remember that?
Awesome, you guys. That's the one that's gonna find. That was awesome.
Oh, that's cute, girl.
I got you on camera.
What y'all saying?
Not yours, nigga.
Oh.
I'm like,
What is she talking about? What is she? Look at Lee.
Lee, don't act like you don't be the same way.
No.
Nah, you be the one saying.
Yeah.
Uh-oh. And then y'all got her girlfriend to co-sign. That's cute with the piano. It's a look. Did he say that? But that piano scene is a look, girl. Yes.
Can you bring that across?
Okay, Queen. I like that one better. I like the piano scenes.
Not you guys, no.
It's giving artist. It's giving QUEENNAIJA the artist. It's giving songbird. It's giving Queen of Capital.
Oh yeah, that's his name after.
Oh.
Maybe I should come.
Now watch it now.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, y'all, so I know I said I was
not
trying to
make
go to the
beats
studio,
on
but I
this.
definitely lied. You know, Jeff was like, yeah, you guys, just let me know what studio you're going to, and we just like played it off like, okay, we'll let you know. We're not going to the studio because we have a flight at 6:30 in the morning, and I just want to eat, so.
Wow.
But I did get my photo shoot done. I can't tell you guys what it's for, right,
does?
Jessica? I can't tell you what it's for.
Not yet, but some coming.
And also, Jeff doesn't know that Jessica and Dante is with us. So yeah, that was a photo shoot. And that was.
You stole his employees and then go put that on your vlog. That's hilarious.
Really, y'all, you know what I'm saying? Look. Sit here, sit up here.
But just move over.
No, I'm not moving over.
Bit. I need to be able to like move around.
I'm not moving over.
She don't let Lee make it all. She gonna get her cuddles with Lee.
Because Lee likes to be cold. I asked her first when we got in here, could we sit outside because it's warmer? No. We come in here, it's cold as all get out. Colder than witch's titties. And now she want to say, can you move over? No. So I can be freezing alone? No, I'm going to sit right next to you and get some warmth.
Please move over, please.
Why are you always doing this to me? You know when we cut the camera off, you be kissing me.
Your leg is...
She knows she loves her sister. That's crazy.
On me, you're on my shoulder. I feel like my whole right side has been abducted.
Speaking of that, did you...
She said my whole right side has been abducted. Well, look at her face. She's so serious.
Did you see me feel me falling asleep when you're on a plane?
Yes, and my arm fell asleep. That's why I had to
Don't
move
do
and
please.
it woke you up.
I needed your arm. I'm sorry. I couldn't sleep the way I was sleeping.
First of all, Delta had me tight with no internet. You can't go 4 hours on the plane with no internet.
Oh my God, you look so fine with your dimples.
I know.
She said, I know. She said, I had these dimples all my life. I be popping dimples.
No. Let me just take the mask off.
I love my manager. Y'all know we really be having something going on, but you know.
No, we don't.
Yes, we do.
No, we don't.
She just trying to hide me. Like, I'm really a
I'm not
side
trying
chick.
to hide you. The whole world knows you. Like,
Right.
No, she's trying to hide our relationship.
no, it's manager artist.
The only reason why I got with her brother is talking to her.
Don't do her. Don't do that whole situation.
Lee, give me a kiss.
No.
This by far is the worst freaking food I had. I'm sorry.
Dang.
This don't got flavor. You know I ate some of it. This don't have flavor. The fries didn't have flavor. Her stuff didn't have flavor. And this is just disgusting. And guess what? It's all Lee's fault. No, it's your fault because I asked you to go to Cat Food. You want to come here to eat a fried egg sandwich at 10 at night. I'm telling her. Okay, I'm gonna tell him, Lee. I'm gonna be like, I'm sorry.
Lee ain't gonna get no peace today.
Y'all cooks back there, they don't. I'm gonna be like, y'all cooks.
You ate the burger, regardless of what you say.
It don't matter. I ate it because I need to get full. I'm like, y'all cooks back there, they not seasoning anything.
Y'all cooks not seasoned.
Wait till I get my food.
Yo, unseasoned fried egg.
Really, that's rude.
I know listen, I'm just tired, to be honest. I'm tired, I'm hungry, I'm tired of getting tired.
Can you move over? Yeah.
No, because I look over and I'm like this. More like this. She said,
It's like being at the table.
no, she said,
You gotta eat your food.
I closed it and look, she said, just don't eat it. There you go, sorry about that. And here's the onion ring. Thank you. You know,
No.
I don't know what
She
it
about
is.
to say it.
The cooks back there, is they not seasoning food? Right? They not seasoning it. It's so unseasoned. I'll tell them, yeah. Please tell them. I'm sorry, I didn't enjoy it. I know I ate it, but I really didn't enjoy it.
I know I ate it, but I didn't enjoy it. Get your review on now. Go do the Yelp in person. All right.
And like the rice. Okay, I'll tell them. Yeah. Just have to put a little bit more seasoning. They have to know, because what if someone else is eating and they're not saying nothing?
She gotta go.
She's like, she said your guys' food is not.
Look at Queen. She's speaking up for everybody. Go ahead. Let them know.
See, look, they don't care.
I think this area is predominantly something.
Predominantly
Something.
unseasoned is one. Here, let's do a.
That's a good way to say it.
What?
This area is unseasoned.
Wow. Even the onion don't have seasoning.
See, that's what I'm going.
I'm just put the camera on Lee, enjoying her unseasoned fried eggs. Early, we're going back home, but for some reason, y'all, I don't know why the airport is like this. It's like been backed up
no, that
for a minute
LA
now. But right up there, there's like
y'all, that LA flight, you would like I've never had my luggage be lost, but they lose your luggage all the time. It's always a line trying to leave and come. It's crazy.
to just a helicopter.
And to get there from like Hollywood or Beverly Hills area, that takes a long, it's so far. Crazy.
Just sitting there. Just sitting here. We're moving, so it looks like it's moving, but it's not. It's just sitting here. So I wonder if something happened at the airport.
No,
I don't know. I just want to go home, to be honest, and back with my kids. It's all Lee's fault.
She's sleeping. Don't wake her up.
You have to take a shit right when
And that's not my fault. I can't help I had to take a
like
boo.
CJ. Like, you know,
I can't help I had a boo.
at the last minute, you could have got up earlier.
Lee, first of all, I can't control my bowel movements. You try to do that. Who wakes up early just to take a shit?
And what happened with CJ yesterday?
What you mean what happened to him yesterday?
What happened? He had to go out to the bus and when he said, "Mommy, I got a boo-boo," right?
Okay, so what the...
Dang, everybody knows CJ this.
No, I let him sit on the toilet and he got some boo-boos out. He had to hold the rest till he got to school. Mitch is back there saying he took his sleepy time medicine. We gotta hurry up. We can't help. You wanna get...
He said he ordering a wheelchair. He's not doing that. Not with me.
Mitch, tell him what happens if you order a wheelchair.
Get on first on the plane.
He could be asleep that whole time.
But yeah, I'm probably gonna end this vlog out, y'all. This is just a vlog behind the scenes of the day in the life of QUEENNAIJA.
QUEENNAIJA.
Super.
Thanks, girl. We enjoyed it and laughed all throughout.
Right now, so yeah. Let's go ahead and say bye-bye so I can go to sleep on the plane. And hope you guys enjoyed this footage of just nothing. Peace out.
Like, comment, subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.